Hello everyone, I am AYAAN from branch CSBS. My company name is Prime Tech Creation. The product name is Mobile and product proposed name is Nexus Wave Mobile. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product are shared by the customer during empathizing activity. First one is connecting hearts one wave at a time. Second one is empathy in every touch Nexus Wave Mobile. Define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing products. First one is existing product name is mobile, futuristic product name Nexus Wave Mobile. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Emotion enhanced messaging. Incorporate emojis and stickers that convey a wide range of emotion, allowing users to express empathy and understanding more vividly. Empathy alerts provide notification or prompts that encourage users to check in on friends or family members based on the recent activities or emotions shared on the platform. Third, an empathy chatbot. Develop a chatbot that uses natural language processing to recognize and respond empathetically to user messages, offering support and understanding. Fourth one, empathy communication communities. Create virtual communities or groups within the app where users can share experiences, offer support, and connect based on common interests or challenges. This is the diagram of Nexus Web Mobile testing. Okay, thank you.